In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Agoda affiliate program. Let's dive right into it. We'll begin by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you frequently use. Once you've got it open, simply head to your search engine of choice and type in Agoda affiliate. This will bring up several results, but the one you're aiming for is the official Agoda affiliate page. Clicking that link will direct you straight to the place you need to be. After you've landed on the Agoda affiliate page, the next step involves logging into your existing account. If you're already a member of Agoda, this is as easy as entering your username and password into the login fields. In case you don't have an account yet, you'll need to go through the sign-up process. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Look for the sign up or register option and follow the steps to create your new account. Agoda typically requires some basic information such as your email address, name, and a secure password. Now, once you're logged in or set up with a brand new account, you'll need to move on to filling out the online registration form. This is where you'll provide your details to officially start the application process. The form will ask for pertinent information about you and your website or app, which will be used to assess your suitability for the affiliate program. Make sure to take your time while entering this information to ensure everything is accurate. Now that the form is filled out, it's crucial to read through the Agoda affiliate agreement. This step is all about understanding what you're signing up for. This document covers the terms and conditions of the affiliate program, outlining the responsibilities you'll have and any legal considerations involved. It's really important to read this carefully to ensure you're comfortable with all the guidelines and rules set by Agoda. Once you're satisfied and agree with everything in the document, indicate your acceptance of the terms. With the agreement reviewed and accepted, you're ready to submit your completed registration form. Once you hit the Submit button, your application will then be sent for review. This can take a little while, so exercise some patience here. Agoda will notify you once they have reviewed your application. If everything checks out and you're approved, you'll gain access to the Affiliate Center. This is an excellent resource, packed with a variety of tools designed to help you promote Agoda. These tools can help you not only increase your traffic, but also enhance your potential earnings. And there you have it, joining the Agoda affiliate program in just a few straightforward steps. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your affiliate marketing journey.